So for this technique, we're using the BAP technique or the 5-point technique. Because the product has hyaluronic acid, it does spread by a few centimeters across the face, so no need for so many tiny injections. We just do 5 dots across the face. And the way it spreads is just a few centimeters, so that way it's covering the whole surface of the face. So we like to do the 5-point technique, and then we like to always save a little bit just so we can microneedle over the skin at the end. It comes with the liquid and it comes with the dry product, so we mix the liquid into the dry. This has got the hyaluronic acid, and then this has the glutathione, vitamin C, succinic acid, the tranexamic acid, and then the PDRN. So when you mix the hyaluronic acid with the dry ingredients, you are going to get the plumpness from the hyaluronic acid, and then all the other active ingredients mixed together to create the lovely glow. I'm going to clean the spot I inject. We're injecting this into the dermis, so we're going a little bit deeper. We don't want to go superficial. Just a few millimeters. So about just under 1 mil in each. So I'm using a 30 gauge needle to inject. So now we're microneedling at a depth of 0.5 to 1 mil, depending on how well she tolerates it. I'm applying some of the product across the skin. When we microneedle, and we like to stamp and create little circulars, this way we're creating trauma, but we are not damaging her skin barrier. And just move the microneedling evenly across the face. So when microneedling around sensitive areas where the skin's a lot thinner, like around the eyes, around the chin, the nose, I like to bring the depth down to 0.25 just to make it more comfortable for the client. When we've microneedled one layer of her skin, I then like to go a lot deeper, so about 1 mil at this point, and then I like to do another round once the first round has dried. The first ingredient in the skin booster is vitamin C, and what vitamin C does is it is a potent antioxidant that brightens skin and fights hyperpigmentation. So the second ingredient in the skin booster is glutathione. So glutathione brightens skin, reduces hyperpigmentation, and combats premature aging by inhibiting melanin production and neutralizing free radicals. So the third ingredient in the skin booster is tranexamic acid. Tranexamic acid fades stubborn dark spots and hyperpigmentation in the skin. The fourth ingredient in the skin booster is succinic acid. Succinic acid treats acne, reduces inflammation, and balances oil production in the skin. The fifth ingredient in the skin booster is PDRN. PDRN is derived from salmon DNA, and what it does is it helps repair skin at a cellular level, boosts collagen production, and reduces inflammation. So the last ingredient in this skin booster is HA and LHA, which is the ingredient you find in most skin boosters. So it's hyaluronic acid based, and hyaluronic acid hydrates the skin and offers structural support. The LHA in the skin booster provides gentle exfoliation and barrier-friendly rejuvenation. And the reason why we love this skin booster so much is because it's got every ingredient that you would want in a skin booster to give you a lovely glow, stop acne formation, and give you glass skin.